Hey, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I want to talk about search and replace in the Emacs text editor. So I have this file open. It's called 12-balls.dart, and this file is basically something I'm teaching a Dart course on one of my other YouTube channels. And I have some text down here. So if I go down, once we figure out what ball is the heaviest ball, if you're familiar with this problem, it says the first item is the heaviest, the second item is the heaviest. It has an item all the way down here, and it switches back. But if I wanted to change all of these to ball, well, what I can do is let me go to the start of the file here, and I'm going to do the Alt button and the % key, and you'll see I just changed it back from ball to item for this video. Let's change it from item now to ball. Okay, I'm going to hit enter, and I could go through each of these and say yes, 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 yes. Now that's one way to do it, and let me do Control Z to undo this. And you'll see in the previous video in this series I talked about how to get Control Z to be the undo button, and maybe check that out. Let me go to the start of the file now again, and I'll replace them quickly. So I'm going to do Alt and the % sign, and I'm going to replace it from item to ball. And when this courier replacing item with ball, when this first comes up, I'm just going to do the exclamation point. And boom, I've replaced 13 occurrences. So if you want to replace things quickly in Emacs, again, it's Alt % sign, do your string that you're going to originally have, and then the string you're going to replace it with, and then do the exclamation point, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.